Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you guys how I created these cute little icons. These are very simple to make and I have used simple pencil, marker and watercolor brush sketches. So for that, I have used a ruler, a pencil and an eraser, and later on I'll show you which marker I have used. So I have sectioned the page into 8 columns and rows, vertically and horizontally, just to make sure that all the icons have enough space and they look even. So I start with a basic heart. I want to make it very simple because I wanted these elements to be used in my journal, because I do make bullet journal pages for every month and for week, and I also make bullet journals for my daily reminders. So I'm making very simple icons like flowers, heart, fruits, or even I have used some envelopes, cupcake, as you can see here. It's very easy to be made. If you have made the sections, then you can see all the icons are placed very nice and in a very even order. So here I'm making a cute small car. Sometimes if I'm making a journal regarding my travel or even a small greeting card, I use these icons for journaling. Here is an envelope. This is actually a bus, mini bus for vacation or something. So these are small windows. You can definitely use your rulers and everything. So I'm trying to make it as simple as possible, like doodling thing, I believe, and you can use all the colors you want. I want to make it very colorful and bright, so I chose the icons accordingly. I found these icons on Pinterest. In case you guys want to have a look, I will put the link in the comment section, in the description box below, so you can see. And here are some birthday related icons, ribbons, and now this one is a gift box. It's a very simple icon. You can also use in your notebooks or in gift hampers, or if you do bullet journaling, you can use these icons there. Like this, I've used a cute little cupcake for birthday, and this is small sun. It's very nice and soothing and also very relaxing, and I really appreciate small and simple, not very complicated designs. Like usually I also work on coloring books because I enjoy painting more than sketching. So I like simple designs, not very intricate ones. So this is how the entire page looks. You can check this out here. This is how everything looks now. I will be using a marker earlier. So here I'm showing you the marker. This is the technical ball pen. I will link everything down below in case you want to know or buy which marker I'm using here. And this is basically used for mandala art, if I'm not wrong. So I'm using this one, which is 0.4 size, and I'm just doing the outline. Earlier I used to do the outlines after coloring, but I noticed that if I do outlines first and then fill the shapes with colors, it looks even more beautiful. So I'm just adding the outlining thing here, the bicycle and everything. If you guys also like these kind of videos, just let me know, because I enjoy these kind of videos and I can make step-by-step tutorials. In the next video, I believe I will also show you guys a review about alcohol marker, which I have purchased just now. That's non-sponsored. I will just show you how I use and how it looks. So here you can see how it looks. And this is the color I will be using, dual tip brush. This is not very expensive, I just found it on Amazon. And this is a water-based brush color, so you can see the consistency. It's very simple and it's good only for flat colors, flat icons, not for shading or something. It's not for that. If you're just starting with painting or the doodling, or you just need something to fill your books or notebooks, I would appreciate, or I would recommend using this color brushes, the sketches which are water based. But if you're looking for some shading, then probably you'll have to look for alcohol markers, which I will show you guys in my next video. So I'm just coloring these in all the colors I have. Actually, I've used all the 24 colors. Just wanting to see how they look, the consistency, and how many shades they have. So this is how it looks. I hope you guys are enjoying the coloring process, because I really like these coloring and the doodling videos, very satisfying. So enjoy it. Definitely use the colors you want. So this is how it looks with the color I have used. Very simple and easy to use. I will link everything down below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next video, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.